Today we're going to show you how to disconnect your vehicle from your driveway awning and how to reconnect it again. This is useful if you want to keep your awning pitched at your campsite and go for a drive. That could be to go shopping, visit a museum, go somewhere to take a bike ride, whatever you fancy during the day, and like to come back to your awning in the afternoon. Here we have set up a driveway awning connected to the vehicle using a driveway connect set. The connect set consists of 3 figure-of-8 plastic pieces like this one and a textile part that has a beading on each side. One beading slides into the rail on the vehicle, the other beading slides into the figure-of-8, and the beading on the awning slides into the other channel on the figure-of-8. Before I can disconnect the awning from the vehicle, I need to take the tension off the storm straps or guy lines that is pulling the awning away from the vehicle. That way we won't have as much tension in the awning roof. Then I'll remove the pegs holding the access zone into the vehicle. I'll do this in both sides of the access zone. Then it's time to remove the figure-of-8s. If the awning is attached to a wind out, like in this vehicle, it's a good idea to just crank it out a little bit to take even more tension off the roof. Remove a figure-of-8 from each side first and leave the middle one for the end. And don't forget also to remove the textile part from the vehicle before you drive off. Then it's time to roll away the access zone. I'll roll it backwards so it doesn't collect a pool of water. Now we are almost ready to drive away. But there are 2 more steps we need to do. A key to a successful drive away and reconnect is to be able to place the vehicle at the exact same spot when we return from our trip. A handy way to do this is to take our luminous plastic pegs and place one right next to each wheel, next to the tire and at the center of the wheel. Like this. This way it's easy when you get back and back in to see where the wheels were placed before you drove away. The last thing we need to do before we can head off is to secure our awning so it will still be here when we come back. We also have a set of guy lines hidden under the access zone. And finally, don't forget to retension the storm straps and the guy lines on the other side of the awning. Attach the textile part to the vehicle awning rail. Roll out the access zone. Slide in the middle figure of 8 piece by attaching it to the awning and to the vehicle. Then you can take the 2 other pieces, one from the front and one from the rear. Peg out the access zone. And retension the guy lines and storm straps on the opposite side of the vehicle.